Hey friends, it's Miss Blanks again, and I am here to do your math and science experiment. Okay, so today you will be creating a fossil, and a fossil is the remains of a living thing from a long time ago. And what I mean by remains, I mean like bones or footprints, and they're molded or traced inside of a rock or on a rock. Okay, so today you will be making a fossil footprint, and I am going to show you how to do that. So, what you would need is a bowl of flour. I'm using a little bowl because this is not my flour, but typically you'll use maybe 2 cups, and then you need 1 cup of salt, and then a cup of water. All right. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take the salt and you're going to sprinkle some in there. Just some, not all, not just yet, because you might need some to, depending on how sticky it might be. Then you're going to pour your water in a little bit at a time. A little bit at a time. Okay, and I like this because it's non-toxic. So you're going to mix it up really well. And I like getting my hands messy, so I don't mind. Now it's getting a little doughy. Right, I'm gonna pour some more water in, and I would highly suggest maybe covering a table or covering wherever you're doing this at, because knowing the children, it can get messy. It can get messy. So now I'm going to add some more salt. I may have to add some more flour just because it's so sticky. This is cool. Add some more salt. Blend that together. Oh, this is so, well, I guess I'll talk to y'all while I'm doing this. So I wanted to do this because I like, when I was a kid, I loved playing like in mud puddles and making mud pies. I loved Play-Doh and stuff like that. So when I saw this, I was like, yes, I'm definitely doing this. And it's just stuff that I have around the house, of course. Okay, so Miss Blanks needs to get some more flour. So I will be right back. Okay, so I am back. But this time I have a spoon and I put more flour in it. I'm just gonna mix it together. And you keep mixing it until it gets real Play-Doh-y. Play-Doh-y. It's kind of thick. It's a lot of thick, actually. And you want to get all of that in there. That's what it looks like now. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and put my hands in it because it's not as sticky. And then if it feels too sticky, you can put some more salt on it. And if it's still lacking the thickness, you just add more flour. Because you need it to be thick. And we don't want it to stick. We'll put some more salt on it. Just a little bit sticky. And the salt helps with the stickiness as well. If you feel it being too sticky, just add some salt. And it definitely will help with that. Then you can roll it into a ball. I'm enjoying this. And this is the Play-Doh so far. And then go ahead and flatten it out like a rock. And now you are going to choose a footprint to draw on your homemade Play-Doh. Okay, I'll be back to show you which one I chose. So I have created my animal print. I want you to try to guess what it is. If you said lion, you are correct. I tried my lion footprint and I did my best to work. But once you're done carving in your footprint, you're going to take your dough and you're going to put it on a cookie sheet and place it in the oven at 200. I put it in the oven